Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make decorative Pocky. So this is how it looks like. I'll be showing you guys how to make this one, and this one. And they're really easy to make, but it requires a lot of time and yeah, that's and small fingers, or like patience. Patience is the key. And this one is just a bar that I just did now to use all the chocolate. It looks so cool. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So what you would need is a pot with some water in it, like around, I don't know, maybe a cup, not too much. Some chocolate. I choose Kisses, and I'll tell you why later. A metal bowl, yeah, metal bowl, and Pocky. Yes, Pocky. And it can be like strawberry, whatever flavor you want. I recommend the ones that are just normal, like strawberry and chocolate, not the ones covered, just cause we're gonna cover it later. Some decorations. Sparkles, sprinkles. And yeah. Oh yeah, and you also need a cutting board. Okay, so the first thing, the first thing you need to do is, of course, wash your hands, and I did that earlier. And then after you wash your hands, you take around 6 pieces of Hershey Kisses, unwrap them, and you'll get something like this, and then you chop them. Okay, this is how I chop them. Okay, might not be safe, so chop them however you like. So this is how I chop them, because it's easier for me. And why do we chop these? Well, it's easier for them to melt. And why do I choose Hershey Kisses? Because when they are melted, they're usually they stay in liquid form longer than any other chocolate. For some reason, I don't know, maybe it's just me. I used Aero before, and it turned into chocolate, like solid chocolate, within like half an hour or even less. So I choose Hershey's. And the Hershey Kisses, it comes in like a small packet, so yeah, you don't have to use everything, and you can save some for later. Yay! Okay, after you do that, clear your knife. Okay. Glass. And then what you want to do is put it in your bowl. And this part I'm very bad at. And metal. I don't recommend using glass just in case the glass would break. I use metal. And metal conducts heat, so it's easier to, yeah. Okay, then you want to put on high. And heat the water until it boils. So you're gonna wait. And what you want to do is create those piping bags, and this is how you do it. You have to buy a piping bag and a thingamabob with another thingamabob with this thingamabob, because you're gonna put it here, and it's gonna be like that. Okay, or yeah, it's gonna stay. So this is how you do it. Once you get this, okay. Oh yeah, by the way, it's going to look like this. Let me create it. Okay, so it's gonna look something like this. Because I'm cheap and Asian, I don't want to waste the money to buy like a thingamabob to like enclose it. I use these pins. They're so cheap in IKEA. Like, you should go buy one, and they're so useful. Like this. Perfect. Okay, so we don't need to do that now. So what you do is you put your thingamabob in here. Okay, and then you cut it here. And then you see how it's like this. It's not really, you still see the you see the piping bag here? Well, you can trim it a little bit so that the bag is just touching the thingamabob. Like this. This is perfect. This. Okay? And then what you want to do is put your tip, and then you insert this. When I first got this, it took me an hour to figure out, like no lies, an hour to figure out how to do this. I went online and searched, and then it took me like 15 minutes. And then what you want to do is cut it, because obviously you're not going to use the whole thing. Something like this. Like that. I recommend tips that are like, what's this? This is 2. This is 2. And this is 18. Well, like, I don't know. The smaller the better, in my opinion. But not too small. Like 2 or 3 is good. But if you don't have these, you don't want to purchase them, that's fine. You can use Ziploc bag, okay, like this. And then on one side, you can just cut a small hole. So, I'm not that good at cutting holes. So like this. Just big enough for the chocolate to go in. You see it? So, it looks funny, I know. Okay, so, yeah. You do this while you're waiting for the water to boil. Pickle. Now, the water's boiling. You want to turn it off. Okay, make sure you turn it off. And you want to put it in. Carefully put it in. Oh, that hurted! Carefully put it in. And you want to use a plastic or wooden spoon to just do this. And you don't want to use a metal one because it conducts heat and it's gonna hurt after. And make sure the water does not get into the bowl, because once the water gets in, it gets mixed with a chemical reaction happens with the chocolate and the water, and it makes the chocolate very chunky. Like, it makes it look like poo. Like, literally, I'm sorry I had to say that, but it looks really bad and it's really hard to use. So, yeah, I hate doing this part, I'm telling you. Oh, look, it's spinning! Yeah. Is it melted yet?
No,
Okay.
I can't see.
I can't see it, keep moving. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, so, like, this is good, and this is how I get it out. Like, I'm so bad at getting this thing out. Oh yeah, make sure this doesn't touch anything. Make sure it's like, okay, this is how I get it out, okay? I need a towel. Wait, okay, get a towel. Okay, you see how this is at the edge? Just use your towel, and you can pour water out at this point, and just take it. It's not that hot anyway, so you just put it right here, like that. Pour the water out.